Box ones from a couple years ago.
Yeah.
Real slow. They can't make the turn either.
Not this white one. It's another even older one. No, that white one's from then.
On Christmas a couple years back.
They can't even make those circle things. Oh! These work in grass and dirt and stuff. The Defiants. Do the other stompers do that too?
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting big collisions. These things are slow.
Very plodding. Not made for this.
But they go great on their track.
Here, it needs some help over there, Wyatt.
There's too much collisions. Ah!
They can't make the turn, so you might as well turn them around.
There's too much collisions. I need these off the track because they always crash out by me, so I have to fix them every time. And these guys can't make any turns, so they just go straight over that. Quiet, yours is out. One side knocked so a white struck off. I know you told us like that like 3 times. Send the wheelie. Oh, recover from wheelie. Oh, this is gonna be a heavy collision. Oh, just missed that. I thought it was for sure gonna be a heavy collision, but then I saw they almost collided.
We're gonna give him a bump here. That helped.
I'm gonna catch up.
Right on his bumper the whole time.
Oh, I made it! I recovered! Dad, yours fell behind.
Well, it's alright.
Jeez! These things, mine nailed right here, and then Hawk hit mine, and it went back on track.
Uh-oh, wham!
So low. Oh, man, this track is... Ah! It sent me the wrong way. There's so much collisions with Stompers.
Here, fix that one over there, too. Uh-oh, there's going to be a massive collision here.
Oh, no.
Who's going to make the turn first? Boom! Hey, my Schaper did the work, did the job. Dug deep. Boom!
It's not going as fast as it should go on. Well, actually it is. Nailed it! Oh, my friend got knocked off.
Watch it, don't step on him, White Hawk. Serious?